So which you bet? Is this one clean or dirty? Dirty. Okay, and that's another old style filter element. I can tell by the handle on top. And it's orange, of course, so it's a 30 micron.
Clean.
Ooh, that one's clean. Okay. So we can put that back in. No need to change that one. Now we've got to figure out what the previous owner was doing. Was he running forward and aft, or vertical levers and horizontal levers? So on our starboard engine, the aft filter is clean, and on the port engine, the forward filter was clean. So we just need to go back and figure out how you want to operate the boat with the levers. And if you want to start with brand new clean filters, maybe you'll come back to the forward filter and change it. Although it did not look terrible like the port one, it did not look brand new, which now leads me to believe that your port tank may have some more dirt in it than your starboard tank.